Got Solo Performance 3-inch exhaust, which I have one of their exhausts on my car currently, so. And then we also went and picked up a 1-piece drive shaft. So that's pretty exciting. Oh my god. Branching. What? They do?
Tight.
You're gonna melt stuff? Everything for my exhaust. What? Oh, they do fit.
Gotta fill up the whole thing.
That's fine. They look huge. Good lord. Yeah, those are ginormous. It's fine. There she is. Like a whole 2-piece.
Trying to keep that though.
Yeah, definitely. Ta-da! Got it in there. What'd you do on the
Put all
S2?
the back on.
Fun. Fancy. This is my old exhaust. Beginnings of the new one. New one is a 3-inch. What was the old one?
Yes.
We're not sure. It was on the car when we bought the car, so it's time for a little bit of a change. That and had to because of the bigger headers. Get the drive shaft up, and then we're getting the exhaust mocked up. We've got to do a little bit of modification to it, just because it didn't fit straight up to the headers. So got some parts coming for that on Tuesday, and this should be able to go in. Okay, we've got the headers, the drive shaft, and the exhaust on. So now that we got the headers and the exhaust on, we are going to change spark plugs and change the oil. I hate changing spark plugs, so that won't be fun. But yeah, that's probably what we're gonna do today. Oh.
some dirt in it. More dirt than metal.
That's good.
Also, like, that's what happens when you run a junkyard motor.
Got the oil change, got the spark plugs taken out and then put new ones in. Got the spark plug wires put on. Chad had to go to Advance to go see if he can get a starter for this thing. He's also getting an O-ring for my dipstick too. So when he gets back, we can do that. And we can't start it yet. We have put the supercharger on, but it's not the supercharger that is going on it. So we're just gonna wait until we get the new one, and then we can start it and see how loud it is. I'm excited, but yeah, that's how today's going.
Sounds different.
It does sound different. It sounds loud.